Hello my people, I welcome now for another episode of Learn with Dash Nigeria. My name na Iduonome. Today episode we go talk about why and how you fit take dey accept dash as merchant. It means say how you fit take dey collect dash as means of exchange, either for goods wey people buy for your hand or services wey you render. Dash dey do merchant adoption program, and the koko for this program na to gather people like retailers, wholesalers, outlet owners, shop owners, and everybody out there make dey fit dey accept dash as legal tender. It means say make dey fit dey accept dash as the normal money wey you go dey collect if you sell market for person or if person wan buy market for your hand. The koko why they do this program na to open people eye, make they no dey use dash as money wey be say they go buy am when e dey cheap, then sell am when e don high. Instead, make they use am as means of exchange wey they fit save, they fit spend, and they fit use am do any other thing wey they wan do, especially investment. Make I sharply tell una 3 countries wey be baba wey dey accept dash, and merchants for these countries that they use dash as means of payment if people buy something from their hand. The first country wey I go talk about na Venezuela, wey dey part of South America. Venezuela get 2,505 merchants wey dey accept dash. And for November 2018, na im dey talk say Venezuela na im be the #1 downloader of dash wallet. And you fit wan ask say why they download dash wallet? Na because say they use dash. Because if no be say you dey use dash, no need for you to download dash wallet. The time when Venezuela begin accept dash, now big companies and organizations na im dey use am, like Church's Chicken, Papa John's, Subway, and the rest like that them. Now in this company where they call Crip Mobile, come to say this dash, you know, they circulate, and the problem where dash say they won't solve, these people know they enjoy the benefit. And to solve this problem, now in this mobile phone company where they call Crip Mobile, come begin manufacture phone where they say dash don't they install on top of. For inside this phone, they don't already put dash wallet, and it gets scratch and scan paper wallet where we say you go scratch and then scan am, and like that it is easy for you to begin use your dash wallet to take buy things or to take do anything where you want to. Number 2 na USA. USA get 650 merchants where they accept dash. Examples na law firm where they for Florida, firearm training school where they for Maryland, tea shop where they for California, and like that them na im they take plenty for USA. The third one wey I go talk about na Colombia. For Colombia, I get 507 merchants where they accept dash. They get them for burger joints, snack shop, bicycle shops, and the rest like that them. Now im make dash come say Nigeria dey miss for this better opportunity where they get, where they don't bring come their domot. But now we don't get merchants too where we say that they accept dash for Nigeria, and there's still plenty, but I go mention small. The first one wey I go mention na Iyabose Restaurant, Crypto TV Plus, Crypto Hub, Cheetah Africa, Finest Deal, and like that them, because them still plenty. The question now why you need use dash as merchant? Because dash they extremely low for transaction fee, and it is very easy to use. Now instant and then you go get your transaction alert anytime when you use dash, and na any country where you dey for this world, now if you take use dash cryptocurrency. But the adoption of dash to fit take spread for everywhere for Nigeria, where people go fit take know am, e need me and even need you. So you go need tell your neighbor wey be retailer or wholesaler, wey get shops, wey get stores where they sell something, say make dem sef begin use dash cryptocurrency as exchange for goods and services where they render for people. Till I go meet you for my next video. My name na Iduonome.